Alright, so I'm back, guys, and today I'm doing this video. I'm making it outdoors, so I'm at the park right now making this video. So you may hear some sound in the background, but you know, the birds and stuff like that. But sometimes we just need some good feelings from nature, Mother Nature, and everything. So I'm making this video outside, nice and cool. So alright, so right now this video is gonna be about tonic. Tonic is the kind that we gonna make this video about today. But before we go into the video, please remember to just like, share, and subscribe, because I see that we get a lot of likes and a lot of subscription and a lot of view. But put a comment also, alright guys, so we can be motivated and the algorithm can keep pumping our videos so we can continue to make more. And remember, try to be famous for something. Find something and be famous for it, alright? So let's go into the video. We're going to show you how to buy tonic. If you're into crypto, you got to hear about tonic. Right now, tonic is very cheap. And it's a good time to stock up on tonic. Tonic is being put out by Crypto.com also. So it's coming from a good source, alright? So I'm going to show you how to buy tonic, alright? So let's get into it. First thing you're going to do, you're going to make sure that you got your Crypto.com app on your phone. And after that, you're going to make sure that you have your Diffie wallet app on your phone. I'm going to show you step by step how to get this done, alright? The installing the app and stuff like that, I'm not going to show you. You should already know how to install the app. But a Crypto.com app and the Diffie wallet app, which is Crypto.com wallet. Alright, now this is Crypto.com. After you got the app ready, you're going to buy Crow. So any amount of tonic that you need to buy, you're going to buy that amount of Crow. And a little extra for the gas fee. So if you want to buy $200 worth of tonic, you're going to buy $220 or $230 worth of Crow. Once you got the Crow in your wallet like this, you see I'm on my Crow page right now. All you're going to do is click transfer. Once you click on transfer, it's going to give you the option to withdraw. Once you come to the withdraw screen, you're going to see where it says Crypto.com Diffie wallet. So the Diffie wallet is where you're going to transfer crypto to. You're going to transfer that crypto that you buy to the Diffie wallet, and it's going to show up in your Diffie wallet, and that's where you're going to buy the tonic. So you're going to go ahead and click Diffie wallet, and you're going to put the amount of Crow that you're sending over, and then at the bottom you're going to click send. So if you're sending over 200 Crow, you're just going to type it in and send it over. Alright, that part is done. You wait for a minute or two and it should show up in your Diffie wallet. So let's go over to Diffie and take a look and see what's going on. Now we are in our Diffie wallet, which is the same Crypto.com. All these things are related, guys. So remember, we're talking about how to buy tonic. Tonic is a coin that's very cheap. And remember, this is not a financial advice. We're not telling you to go buy, sell, or hold. We're just showing you how it's possible for you to buy it if you're interested in doing so. So now that you're on the Diffie, you go ahead and log in. And similar to Trust Wallet, you're going to have to convert the Diffie into Cronos. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see where it says bridge through chains. You're going to click on that one, and then you will see where it says crypto.org to Cronos. And you're going to go ahead and you say yes, you put the max, if and then you click transfer, and then it would be transfer over. I'm not going to do it right now on mine, but this is how you do it. At the bottom you can see you get the option to transfer. Alright, now say you already done your transfer. Now you go back to this page here, which is your balance page, where you can see your balance. And after you get to your balance page, you scroll down again and you click on earn up to 175% APR right here. Let me just highlight it so you can see it. Right here is where you're going to click. Alright, so once you click there, it will take you to another page. This page takes a little time to load sometime, but just give it a minute. And remember, once again guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. You can do your own research and then you can decide how you're going to buy, sell, or hold. But if you heard about the coin and you're interested in purchasing the coin, this is how you go about doing so. Once you get to this page, you're going to come down to the bottom down here and you're going to go ahead and click trade. So once you click trade, it will take you to another page. Now you got the CRO and you got the USDC. So we're going to switch from USDC to Tonic, because that's what we're about to buy. Is this easy, guys? This is very easy to me. Alright, now we go ahead and we switch. Now we can say maximum CRO. Alright, if I click on the maximum, whatever CRO I have there, it's gonna go ahead and give me and tell me how much I can get for the money. Depends on how much I have. You can click on 75% of how much you have, and that will show up just like Trust Wallet. And then once it comes up, you will go ahead and swap it out, and that's how you're gonna go ahead and buy your Tonic. Is that easy? If it's easy, comment, let me know. If you need another step, or if you think a step is missing, let me know what you're having difficulty with, and I will reply back to you and tell you how to fix the issue. But this is the way to buy Tonic. It's a very, very affordable coin, and I think it's a good one to have. With around $100, you should be able to get up to around 120 million, which is my default. Anything I'm buying, I like to be at the 120 million mark, because once it hit 1 cent, you're making $1 million. So that's the reason why I suggest 100 million coin if you can. Alright, so there you go, guys. Once you get to this step, it's gonna be over. All you have to do is just follow the instruction on the screen and it's done. But first, Crypto.com wallet, Diffie wallet, once you get it set up, you transfer your CRO. You buy your CRO and transfer the CRO over to your Diffie wallet, then convert it into Cronos. Once you convert it into Cronos, then you go ahead and swap it out for the coin of your choice. Alright, once again, comment, subscribe, and like, and let me know if you need any more assistance, and I'll be happy to help you from there. Thank you very much for your time and your patience. Have a great day.